What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TT, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, I know it's been a minute, but your girl is back, and yeah, I can't wait to update you guys in this video. It has been so long since I did my last drop. I've been uploading little shorts here and there, but I really just haven't like sat down and kind of discussed with you guys what's been going on with your girl. So yeah, if you guys haven't known, I'm TT. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and follow your girl. I'm gonna leave all my social media in the description box below, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And yeah, let's get started. So first things first, I kind of want to give you guys an update on the business things. As you guys know or didn't know, I do own a business. I own the brand Lavish Treasures, which is strictly my streetwear and accessory brand. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an inside scoop on the items that I already have, which are now available for purchase. And yeah, you guys can go ahead and shop now. Yeah, I'm going to give you guys a little mini haul of all the items that I have. And yeah, let's get started. First things first, I'm going to show you guys my official Lavish Treasure hairpins, and this is what my babies look like. Okay, let's get into it, honey. I don't know if you guys can see, but yes, these are my official Lavish Treasure hair clips. Perfect for all little kids, adults, anybody that loves a good hair accessory. You guys should definitely go ahead and purchase you some. Get some for your nieces, get some for your cousins, your moms, anybody. Yes, I love them. They're really great quality. They shine so bright. Even at night, they shine really good. So you guys should definitely go ahead and make you a purchase. They are now available on my website. Again, the link will be in the description box below for you guys to go and purchase. The next thing I want to get into is my official streetwear beanies. So yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I have already dropped this, and they are now available for purchase as well. So I'm going to show you guys. I do have two different designs that are not available. They only come in one color, but they do have random variety charms. This is again a limited edition collection, so once they are sold out, I will not be doing this particular design setup anymore, unfortunately. So yeah, you guys should definitely go ahead and make your purchase because they are now available. All right, let's get into it, honey. So the first one is everybody's favorite, the official anchor charm. This is everyone's favorite, my official Jewel of the Sea anchor charm beanie. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It comes in different color charms, as you guys can see, and rhinestones. Also, they come in the hanging anchor charms as well, and it has my official logo. So yeah, also I'm going to show you guys, this is the back. This is what the back looks like. It also comes in charms, and this is what I mean when I say they have random variety charms. These three charms right here are the random charms that it comes in. So even if you do make a purchase, just know that these are going to be random. They come in a different setup. So just be aware of that when you do make a purchase, that you know that it comes in the random charms. Other than that, this is my second one, my baby right here. This is the Jewel of the Sea leaf charm beanie, and again, same concept. In the front has the logo on the front, then you flip it to the back, and it also has the hanging leaf charms as well, and it comes in different color rhinestones. And then these three patches on the back are random. So yeah, this is my limited edition streetwear beanie collection, available now. Go get y'all a beanie or two or six, and go ahead and let's sell out these beanies, baby, so I can get ready for the next drop. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do y'all think I should do more colors? I really do enjoy being crafty and in my element and doing things that I love to do, which is being creative and coming up with new designs for my drop. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This was a really quick video. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on what was going on. And yeah, I just been really working hard. But yeah, you guys can now follow me on my official business page at Lavish Treasures LT on Instagram. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. Comment down below which one was your favorite. And yeah, go ahead and make you a couple purchases. Like if you love streetwear and you love accessories, then this is for you. So yeah, I love you guys. I don't know when I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna try to be consistent more often because I'm trying to get back into my element of doing my content. And yeah, it's been a minute since your girl hopped on camera, so I'm gonna, I'm gonna try. Don't get on me now. Don't get on me. Your girl is really trying to get back into her content element. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you all, enjoy the drop. Go make you a couple purchases and shop now at www.lavishtreasures.us and make you a purchase. And so yeah, I appreciate y'all for supporting. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.